Hey and welcome to this new video. It will be again just a short video we will start by seeing the advanced stuff or prepare our environment to create and to learn the advanced stuff in React. So first you need to have like the latest version of Node. So for me, here is it, my latest or my version of Node. After that, like after React 5, I believe, the create app method or create React app, it's not like supported anymore, or it will not support it anymore in the future. That's why we need first to install it and then to use another alternative, which is npx. So first let's install it. So npm uninstall dash globally, because first we install it globally, and now create, and here React app, and hit enter. So now it will install it, and after that we will see now how we can create React app with the latest version of this create React app. So because this it's just it's an old version, so we need to start it or to start creating our React app with the latest version of React. So first I will pause the video until it uninstalled, and after that I will show you how. So here is it, it installed. Now let's use npx and not npm. So npx, now create React app, and in the same line we can like initialize our app. So for example, we will create an app that we called advanced demo, like this, and hit enter. So what's like the difference between npx, so sorry, it's npx and not nmx, so it's npx. So what's the difference between using npx to create React app and just to use create React app? So first, while or the first time when we install create React app, it installed, for example, with a specific version, for example, version 1. So every time while we're using create React app, it always like create an app with the version 1. By using npx, first it go and search for the latest version of this create React app, and then it create this project for us with the latest version of create React app. So that's the difference between the two. And also now we no need like to pollute our global environment by using -g for or while installing create React app. So now no -g, just create it directly and in the same line. So here is it, he created the project for us. So let's go inside this project. So change directory to advanced demo, enter, and npm start, just to start our project. And that will be all for this video. In the next video we will go and we will start by seeing the component hierarchy or the high component hierarchy. So as you see in here, it's with using npx, it's much more clean and much more professional than using just a normal create React app, because that create React app you need like from time to time to uninstall it and install it so that you can get the latest version. But while using npx, you already, or you are sure that you're creating your app, or you should that you're creating your app with the latest version it exists on the latest version of React. So here you see here the version, it's this. Let's see also his starting development server. So you will just see like the normal React startup page, so nothing fancy. And also in this video we will not like or we will not see how to make things look good with the UI. So that will be your I would say your role. So for me, I will explain to you the advanced stuff, like we will use hooks, context, and stuff like that. And for you, I will leave it up to you to design it and to type it in a more cleaner and nicer way. So here is it, he finished with the local, and if you want, for example, to go by network, here is the address, and here as you see just a normal React page. So again, this is all for this video. It was just like an introduction to, and also I want you to know about this npx and to show it to you how to use it. And in the next video, as I told you, we will start working. So again, thank you for watching. This is all for this video, and see you next.